my hundredth or my unit is going to stay the same. So I'm remembering that when I'm adding fractions, I'm going to convert to make my like units. I have to keep my unit the same because I'm only counting by hundredths. Barack is tracking 100%. Excellent. All right. So now, before I do this, I'm looking at this question. I see 3 hundredths plus 6 tenths. 3 hundredths plus 6 tenths. Should I add these together?
No.
Yeah.
No. Oh, yes, some mixed reviews.
I love, Miss Harris, can I give a quick shout out?
Yeah.
Barack was like ready, he was like no, but then once everybody figured out like, oh, I can answer too, I saw lots of like, yes, yes, it was like really exciting. Great listening, let's see if we can add these together.
Alright, so let's brainstorm together. What are we thinking? Josiah, what are we thinking?
I'm thinking
Nice tracking, Xavier, immediately, nice tracking,
I'm thinking no because they don't have this. They're not equal. Well, not equal, but they don't have. But they don't have the 300 is less than 16.
Okay, I agree with that, and I think where we were going with that was that those denominators are not the same. So we know we want to make sure, oh, excellent, thank you, Christopher, for showing me that I agree. We know we can't add them if our denominators aren't the same. We want to convert to make our like unit. What unit does 110 have in common? What unit does 110 have in common? Whisper it in your hand.
Can I ask that question again? I see some people putting their hand and not being sure. When we say it's the same unit, that means the same denominator. So what could we, how could we change one of these denominators so they could be the same? Now whisper in your hand, what could we do to change one of these denominators so the denominators would be the same?
What would I change my denominator to? Whisper in your hand, hold your hand up. When I say go, you're gonna release, but you're gonna shout out what denominator will be the same. So right now my hand needs to be in the air. What's gonna be my common denominator? What would make this denominator the same? Ready, go.
30.
Ooh. I heard 100, and here's what I'm also hearing. I heard 30 tenths. What we did was already try to convert and use my 10 that they have in common. So we've got 10 and 100. 10 times what equals 100?
10.
10 times 10. So that common unit between 10 and 100 is going to be 100 because 100 is a multiple of 10. What am I going to change this denominator to? I have 6 tenths. I'm going to give you the next 10 seconds to write down how can I convert 6 tenths to hundredths. Flip over to either the blank side of Jersey now. We can work on that page. We can work on that.
Rolling right away. Derwin's about to put that paper, he's ready to move.
I'm giving you 10 seconds. Write me how many hundredths are equivalent to 6 tenths. Go. How many tenths are equivalent, or how many hundredths are equivalent to 6 tenths? How many hundredths are equivalent to 6 tenths? What I like about Norman's paper is that he made sure the paper looks like mine first. How many hundredths are equivalent to 6 tenths? Alright, and then your pencil needs to go down in 5. The line is ready to go. 4, 3, 2. Put that pencil down. Tony, show me he's ready to go. 1. In 0. Oh, Angel's pencil is down. So while we're sharing, make sure that pencil stays down. Looking for who else can earn some more stars. How many hundredths are in 6 tenths? How many hundredths are in 6 tenths? Delani, how many hundredths are in 6 tenths? Nice tracking instantly, Jahiran, and from Constance, nice Barack. 60 hundredths are in 6 tenths. Oh, I'm loving this. All these enthusiastic. I agree. Yeah, I owe you a star. Christopher Josiah, I owe you a star. So we have 3 hundredths now plus 60 hundredths. We know that 6 tenths is equivalent to 60 hundredths. And now what's my answer? What's my sum? If I add 3 hundredths plus 60 hundredths, if I add 3 hundredths plus 60 hundredths, Derwin, what's 3 hundredths plus 60 hundredths? So Nolan's pencil is down in tracking, Kia's pencil is down in tracking. hundredths. Excellent. Way to stick with that drawing. He's on his third star. So now I've got 63 hundredths. Why did I change that denominator? Why did I change that denominator? Leaving your pencil down, we're about to quickly turn and talk. So I'm looking, as a reminder, I'm looking for the first people who are turning first.
Can I ask another question? Yes. How to change it, why did we change these, when we say change the denominator, remember we changed the unit. We made these tenths into hundredths. So you're telling your partner, why did we have to do that?
Alright, so remind your partner why we changed the denominator. Turn
Nice. Rock right away, going right away.
and talk. Go.
Yeah, what do you think, do you agree? Yeah, why do they have to include it?
You got it. Keep going.
And then 3 tenths, oh yeah, 300. And 6 tenths.
Why did we change the denominator?
We could just say 9. No, 9,
And when we add, our denominator is what?
When they're different sizes, we can make them the same size.
When we add, our denominator is what?
To 1600.
Why did we change
Hundred,
this?
2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 1600.
Because we have, so when I add, my denominator is what?
They've got it right here too. You need it.
Coming back to me in 5. Excellent. Nolan's tracking.
Tracking.
4. 3, 2, 1. In 0. Why did I have to change that denominator from tenths to hundredths? Tony, explain why I had to change that denominator from tenths to hundredths. Okay, so I can't add that 110 together. Why?
Tony, can you tell us why we can't do that? Why couldn't we just add the hundredths and the tenths together? Why couldn't I just say 9? 3 plus 6 is 9. Why couldn't I do that?
When I add, my denominators stay the what, Tony? Stay the same. They do what, Guilford? Stay the same. Alright, when I'm adding, my denominator is going to stay the same because I'm not changing the unit that I'm counting by. So if I have 60 hundredths plus 3 hundredths, I'm now 63 hundredths. So I had to change my denominator to make sure that I could add them together because I have to add with my denominators being the same. My denominator has to stay the same. I'm going to give us a couple more to do, but with
I completely agree with you guys, the denominator has to be the same. Tony told me when we were on a turn and talk that the denominator has to be the same because these pieces aren't the same size. So I can't just say 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 what? The pieces aren't the same. So we had to change it so the pieces could be the same. I see lots of me too. I hear that some people said that to their partner too. Great, okay, let's see what we're gonna practice next.
Alright, what I want you, when I say go, to write down this equation on your paper.
Donnie's ready
Go.
to go.
45 hundredths plus 5 tenths, and then your pencil will go down. 45 hundredths plus 5 tenths. I know Jahiron is done, his pencil's in his groove, he's back in Spark. Constance's getting a star, she's back in Spark. Angel's getting a star, she's back in Spark. Angel's tracking up. In 3, 2, 1, in 0. So I have 45 hundredths and 5 tenths. And we're going to solve this with a partner. But instead of just doing our turn and talk partner, we're going to find a new partner in the room. So these are going to be by directions. Just listen first. Nice tracking Christopher, nice tracking Dwight. First we're going to stand up. Then we're going to put our hand up. Then we're going to pair up. You are moving with your packet and your pencil. And then tracking me. These are going to be the directions. You're going to stand up. You're going to put your hand up. You're going to pair up. It's a lot of ups. Yeah. A lot of ups. We're going to be up. We need to get up. All right. 1. Stand up. Packet in your hand. Pencil in your hand.
Stand ready. John is ready.
and packet. Donald's got his pencil and packet. 2, hand up. When I say 3, you've got 10 seconds to pair up. So that means you should be frozen high five with someone. Your packet should be in your hand. Your pencil should be in your hand. Excellent, Tajay. Excellent, Tony. 3, pair up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Guys, you
5,
have to actively pair up, like Christopher and Norman.
4, 3, Josiah and Derwin, look. 2,
Guys, right there.
Josiah, come here.
Right here, sir. Perfect.
Josiah, Derwin, come here. 1, in 0. Excellent. Xavier found me in the room. Angel found me in the room. Kewan found me in the room. You're going to have the next 2 minutes to show me 45 hundredths plus 5, wait a second, 45 hundredths plus 5 tenths with your partner. That means that I should see you converting to like denominators. I should see you solving and make sure that answer is as friendly as 4. You have 2 minutes to solve this with a partner. Thumb up when you are done and ready for it to be checked. 2 minutes, go.
You should have the numbers written in the next 5 seconds. I see such good hustle, I think we might be able to change this to a minute. What do you think? All right, we change it to a minute.
Jahara and Barack are telling me that they are already done. Since we're on our desk, they're going to be deposit.
All right, you
Jahara's getting a deposit and Barack is getting a deposit for making sure that they are done before that
What do you think?
timer.
Are you showing it here? Okay, show me your 45 hundredths here, your 5 tenths here. Nice. Make sure you can explain why you have to change it.
Explain why we have to change those deposit and deposit. Explain why you had to change it.
Right. Make sure you can explain why you changed one of your fractions.
It was gonna be like
If I see that thumb in the air, I can walk around and give you a deposit.
Can I just change that?
so we have 10, so the denominator is 100. Hey, that's what I'm saying. You want to cheat?
4,500 plus 5 tenths.
Alrighty, find your body into a chair, the closest chair to you, and try to be in 5, 4, Tajay's pencil down, she is tracking, sitting up straight and tall. 2, 1, in 0. Donnie sitting up straight and tall, his pencil is down, Donald is still tracking. 45 hundredths plus 5 tenths. What did we do first? What did we do first? Norman, what did we do first? Before you did that, what did you and Christopher do?
What did you say? What did you do with 5 tenths, Norman?
See, here's the thing. I agree with what you did on your paper.
Can I pause them?
Yes.
Norman, what was the problem here? Why couldn't we just add these?
Perfect. My hundredths and my tenths are not the same.
So what did you do about that? You're not sure?
What'd you guys do? You can call a teammate, call a friend. Perfect. We converted our tenths to hundredths, so we make sure that we can add with those like denominators. So when I converted my tenths to hundredths to have those like denominators, how many hundredths are the same as are in 5 tenths? How many hundredths are in 5 tenths? Angel, how many hundredths are in 5 tenths? I tracking Brock and I tracking Donald. 50 hundredths are in 5 tenths. I should be seeing a whole bunch of I agrees. When I snap, I want you to tell me the answer. Remember, you have to be very dramatic when you say the denominator, hundredths. When I snap, tell me the answer. 9 hundredths.
Nice,
5 hundredths. No, I thought